Hello and welcome back. I'm Harish, and in this channel, I talk about various no-code tools using which you can build pretty much anything from a web app to an automation to a mobile app or even just simple landing pages. And this one is an alternative way for you to use forms in Notion or collect information or data into your Notion database using a form, right? If you haven't seen my previous videos, I've covered 4 tools that allow you to create forms and then get the data in Notion. And this one allows you to customize Google Forms and allows you to embed them directly into Notion. Or along with that, you can also get any Google Form submission that you get on your Google Forms, if that's the tool you use, directly into Notion without having to create an account on a third party website or signing up for a new platform or anything like that. Let's get started and see how this works. Great. So the tool in context is form2notion.com, and it allows you to basically use your existing Google Forms and get the data into Notion, or embed Google Forms and make them look better, because we all know how beautiful Google Forms look, right? Let's quickly see how this works and also see how we can build our own forms from Google and get the data into Notion. So let me just quickly click on the demo. If you haven't realized already, this page itself is created in Notion. So the form doesn't work. Okay, looks like people have spammed this way too much. I'm going to just do the install guide from add-on. So what form2notion does is gives an add-on for Google Forms itself, so that you can do the linking part of your Google Forms to Notion directly from your form itself, right? So I'm going to click on install and continue. So when you're creating a new form in Google Form, or if you have an existing form, once you've done adding the add-on that we looked at, you can just find it under add-ons tab right here. If you click on it, you'll see form2notion, right? Let me just create a quick form here. Contact us. Let's imagine that we are creating a contact us form for our website, and let's change this to, again, as usual, let's do name and email as our defaults. I'm going to enable required for this. Only let's just do 2 fields, and these 2 are required. Once your form is ready, the add-on should be available under the add-ons button. Click on form to Notion to be able to start linking your form to the Notion database that you want to store the data in. So I'm just going to quickly open Notion. Let's create a new page called form to Notion. Just for the sake of this example, I'm going to create the fields also. In this case, we just have 2 fields. So I'm going to create the 2 fields here only. Let's do table as in the database, and then fields name, and this will become email. Let's do email as a validation, right? So we have these. I'm going to delete the empty rows so that we know the first one when we get it, right? We have the Notion page ready, so I'm going to click here and click on the add-on, and then we have connect to Notion, which means whenever somebody fills this Google form anywhere, be it embedded in Notion or be it directly through the Google form itself, we need to be able to send the data to Notion. Okay, looks like we need to be logged into only one account for this add-on to work, which is absolute nonsense, but let's see if this works or not. So I'm just going to quickly log out and just log into my only Gmail account that I'm using for this demo. Let's see. Great. So now I'm back in my form with being logged into just one and only one Google account. Let's see if this works now. I'm going to go back to the add-on and just say connect to Notion. If you notice, you always have the option to view the tutorial or share feedback, or if you have any questions, you go to the help section and get it resolved. Let's see. I clicked on connect to Notion and it is loading. Let's see what happens next, or if you just should sit and wait for this to work. Let's see. Okay, great, something came up. Okay, connect to Notion. Let's see what happens next. This should ideally pop up the Notion connection for us. Waiting to see where it'll pop up. I've clicked. Okay, it popped up on my other screen. Let's see. No, yes, okay. Similar way to allow, because this is controlled by Notion. And as you can see here, pop-ups are getting blocked by this. So I'm just going to enable it and see. That could be one of the reasons why the form didn't pop up or the connection didn't pop up in the first go. You may close this window. Okay. Still waiting for this to work. Definitely takes a little time. So alright, so name is auto selected because that's the default field, and email. Okay, these are the form fields that we already have on our database, which we created inside Notion. Perfect. I'm going to click save so that the form fields and the database are linked, right? So now the connection is saved. This should ideally mean that when somebody submits the form in any format, right, be it embedded in Notion or be it from here directly from the Google form, the data should get saved. Now I'm going to do a submission from Google form example and say example@domain.com. Right, now if I submit, the data should also get populated in the responses tab here, which is, it works, and this should also get populated in our Notion database, which also works. Now let's see how to embed this Google form into Notion and then submit again, right? So to embed this, you'll have to go back to the add-on section and click on form to Notion again and click on embed in Notion this time. Now when you click on embed in Notion again, this should pop up. It is going to show you what is the link to embed. Just copy it. You can also enable dark mode or light mode here. I'm just going to do dark mode to show you how it looks. I'm copied it, go back to Notion, click /embed and then paste the link and click on embed link. That should embed the Google form for you here, and clearly it doesn't work, right? Let's try one more time and give this a chance, right? We've done the exact same thing as they ask us to do. I've copied the link that this shows here. I'm going back to Notion. I'm trying this again, pasting the link that they give us and embed. Again, it doesn't work. Perfect. So embedding is not working in this tool at the moment, as of today when I record this video on December 27th. So I'm going to try light mode one last time and see if it works. Let's see, embed, and then paste the link and see if this works. I'm guessing this will, oh wow, this also doesn't work. So embedding inside Notion is not currently working. So that's a good thing that we learned. So you're not able to embed this for now, which is sad, but you can still send your Google form data directly into Notion, which is a good thing. And if you notice, there is also no way to send any existing data or existing submissions in your Google form directly to Notion. So if you're expecting that as a feature as part of this add-on, that is not available. But at the end of the day, I think we are getting a lot of features for free. So if embed doesn't work, it should still be fine. So let's quickly check what are the other features available as part of this tool. So formtonotion.com is the website where you visit to be able to download the add-on for Google Forms, right? There are no limits, right? Obviously, which is I think default. You don't have to pay for anything. There is no sign up required on the third-party platform. It's faster, definitely faster. You've noticed how quickly the data comes into Notion. And yeah, the last one, as they claim, doesn't work for now. I hope they fix it and it should start working. If the embed starts working, I'll definitely add a comment in the comment section below and pin it so that you are aware that there is an update to this. But yes, that's Google Forms to Notion for you. Drop a like if you found that useful. Consider subscribing if you're interested in no code. And also, if you know anyone who's looking to build something but has ideas and don't know what to do, send them here, because this channel is all about building without coding. See you in the next one. Peace.